Namaskaram. Kanchipuram Varamahalakshmi Silks is an eminent house for exclusive hand-woven sarees. Started in the year 2012, now we have 17 stores all across South India, in Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Be it the quality, the prices and the collection, we always offer the best of the best to our dear customers. So please make sure you're visiting your nearest VML store to have a look at the beautiful collection of sarees and lovely interiors too. So dear customers, today's episode is about beautiful Kanchipattu sarees, very contrasting combinations, very royal designs. Before moving on to today's collection and the first saree, let me tell you that my beautiful jewelry is by Manjula Jewellers, Banjara Hills. Now let's move on to our first saree. This one is a beautiful beige with green color Kanchipattu saree, and on the body we have these buttis. Inside that we have florals and peacocks in gold zari. Moving on to the border, which has florals in lines, we have paisleys in lines, and we also have florals and leaves jal. There's a contrasting green color edge to your beige color border, and here is a lovely contrasting pallu for this beautiful saree. We have cross lines on this in gold zari. We also have triangles and strips in lines. It's a gorgeous green color blouse for your beige color saree. And to place an order for this one, you just need to take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Now let me show you the next beautiful saree from Kanchipattu collection. The first beautiful saree is in a lovely contrasting combination of peach with purple. Let me show you the body of this one. On the body, we have floral buttis in champagne gold zari with threadwork detailing, making them even more prominent. And we have florals and leaves jal cross checks across it. Let's have a look at a beautiful contrasting border in purple color, which has florals in boxes, and we have paisleys. Inside the paisleys we have florals detailing, and we have florals and leaves jal also, very intricate work, very detailed work. Then we again have florals in boxes with diamonds in lines and cross lines. There's a contrasting edge to your purple color border, and a beautiful contrasting pallu has paisleys in lines with florals and leaves jal. We also have diamonds in lines and small dollars in boxes along with zigzag lines. This is a beautiful pallu design. Very gorgeous contrasting blouse for your peach color saree, and to place an order for this one, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, before moving on to the next saree, let me tell you that we provide global courier service, which means no matter where you are sitting when you place an order for our sarees, we will deliver them to you in no time, and cash and delivery option is only available in Hyderabad. This one is a beautiful contrasting saree in yellow and blue color combination. Let me show you the body. On the body, we have floral buttis inside these geometrical buttis, creating a beautiful effect, a beautiful pattern in silver zari on the yellow color body. Our border, which is in navy blue color, has triangles and leaves on the edge, and then we have small diamonds, we have dollars in boxes with cross lines. We also have huge peacocks with florals and leaves jar and champagne gold zari with cross lines again. Here's the lovely contrasting pallu in blue color, which has peacocks in circles with cross lines, and we have brocade work all over the pallu. Here's the beautiful contrasting navy blue color blouse for your yellow saree, and to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, these videos will be saved on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube, so you can watch it again, share it with your friends and family, and place lots and lots of orders only from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Here I have a beautiful contrasting but very classic combination between red and green. Let me show you the green color body first. On the body, we have beautiful florals and leaves jal in gold zari, and along with that we have parrots and peacocks perched on them, creating a beautiful effect. Very lovely design in gold zari. Here's a very beautiful and contrasting red color border for the green saree. So let's have a look at the details. We have small dollars in boxes with floral buttis, and here we have florals and leaves jal with huge peacocks. Again, a very beautiful design is there in gold zari, and yet again we have florals in boxes in gold zari. Let me show you the very gorgeous and contrasting pallu for this one. On the pallu, we have gold zari kari, we have florals with a curvy line. Then we also have diamonds and peacocks with florals and leaves jal. Here we have cross lines in gold zari, and that's a beautiful design on your contrasting pallu. We have a very gorgeous red color contrasting blouse for your green saree, and to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, you can also shop for our sarees by clicking on the links mentioned in the description box. These links will take you to a website that is kanchivml.com, and there you can place the order for this beautiful saree and many such lovely sarees right away. Moving on to next beautiful saree now. Here I have a very classy and very elegant saree in maroon color. Let me show you the body of this one. On the body, we have zari checks and gold zari, and inside that we have circular floral buttees and peacock buttees. Beautiful, lovely work all over the body in gold zari. Our border has temples and we have zigzag lines with cross lines. We also have peacocks with paisleys and floral jal, and again we have cross lines and dollars in boxes. Beautiful, lovely gold zari work on maroon color border. We have very simple and elegant design on our pallu. So we have florals and leaves jal in lines, and then we have diamonds brocade work all over the pallu. The beautiful self blouse for this very elegant saree, because maroon color is so beautiful in itself. To place an order for this one, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, these weavers prices are valid only for a limited amount of time, so you need to hurry up and place your orders right away. This one is a very lovely cool tone blue color saree, and we have two shades of blue on this one. On the body, we have champagne gold zari floral buttees, and we have very small paisleys also all over the body, creating a beautiful shine, a beautiful luster on the body. Our border for this one has small temples on the edge, and then we have this florals and leaf jal with small florals, intricate work is there. We have small floral buttees in boxes also, and then we have cross lines here. On the contrasting pallu, we have florals and leaves jal in cross lines. We also have small paisleys over the line. Then we have paisleys, and inside the paisleys we have peacock detailing. Isn't that very interesting? We also have florals and leaves jal around the paisleys, and then we have brocade work on your beautiful pallu. Here's a lovely contrasting blouse which also has brocade work on it, and to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, we have 17 stores of Varamahalakshmi Silks all over South India, in Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. So please make sure you're visiting your nearest PML store to have a look at a beautiful collection of sarees and amazing interiors too. This one has a very gorgeous navy blue color Kanchipattu saree, and on the body we have cross checks in copper zari. Inside the cross checks, we have small geometrical floral buttees all over the body. Our beautiful border has very elegant, very intricate work on it. So we have these wavy cross lines with zigzag lines. We have a small florals and leaves jal, and then we have these polkas and lines again with cross lines, lovely copper zari work on navy blue color border. The pallu for the saree has brocade work on it, and we have florals in curvy checks in copper zari all over the pallu. Here is a beautiful self blouse for your beautiful saree, which also has brocade work on it, and to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear lovely customers, we have a very special service for all of you guys who are not able to visit our store at the moment. So all you have to do is take an appointment from Varamahalakshmi Silks on our WhatsApp number, that is 8900010002. And then one of our executives will definitely get back to you and arrange for a video call, a personal session with you, where we will show you all the varieties in sarees in various colors and price ranges too. We provide global courier service. Cash and delivery option is only available in Hyderabad. These videos will be saved on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube, so you can watch them again and place lots and lots of orders only from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Please make sure that you are subscribing to our YouTube channel, you are liking and subscribing on Facebook and Instagram too, to make sure that you are following our daily lives at 4 PM and 9 PM every day. With these lives, you will be able to have a look at beautiful collection of sarees at amazing prices that are the weavers' prices. Our jewelry partner is Manjula Jewellers, Banjara Hills. They have amazing collections, so please do check out their collections. Dear customers, I hope you enjoyed today's episode, which was about beautiful royal Kanchipattu sarees. We will be back tomorrow with another exciting episode. Until then, stay safe and keep shopping only from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Namaskaram.